So many food service directors are the best kept secret. And one of the things I know I have learned as I have worked with so many and learned from so many of you in this space is there's so much good of behind the scenes work. And we want to help give you the tools here, or maybe even a perspective here of telling your story of your department, of the great work that you do, making sure that it gets out there, because it's an incredible story that you have to share with incredible heart behind it. And we want to help you get it out there with these tools. And I know that these are tools that you're familiar with, and we just want to help maybe have a different angle or different perspective that might help you use them in a different way or in a new way. So one of the things as far as leveraging technology with social media, we see that there are two ways that it can be helpful for you. One, it can be for inspiration. If you are looking to get some new ideas for recipe, if you are looking to make something very presentable, like Maureen was talking about, we eat with our eyes, and it's a food is a love language. So how can we make sure that we are showing these beautiful, incredible, nutritious meals that are healthy and giving the students what they need to perform well in a way that is appealing? And so it's really helpful to get inspiration as we're looking at other districts, other vendors, seeing different ideas of what's out there. So social media can be really helpful from an inspiration standpoint, and social media can also be really helpful from a communication standpoint, both in a kind of blasting things out there and in engaging back and forth with some of your consumers, with your students.